The Evo Grate system allows you to easily adjust the drain height by adding or removing spacers to match the tile thickness. Each spacer adds 1/8 inch. Ensure the spacers are positioned correctly, with the inside teeth facing down and the outside teeth up. Once the desired height is set, place the cover to protect the drain. Select the appropriate trowel based on your tile size to spread thin set over the water stop membrane and install the tile. Embed the spacers in drain holder and thin set, positioning them accurately. Once everything is in place, you can begin grouting. Once you have chosen the color of the grate, remove the cover and place the grate.